Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine at your home. Dear students, today we shall have the paper solution of Marathi paper of Mahatet, English medium, paper number 1. Okay student? So, Marathi is the second language for English medium students. So here, today we shall have the paper solution of Mahatet examination 2020. It means last examination. Without wasting time, let's get started with the question and answers. Okay? Dear students, you know that Marathi is for 30 marks in paper 1 and paper 2 also. Okay? So let's have first question, that is 31. Okay, पुढील पैकी अशुद्ध शब्द ओळखा. Here we need to identify a incorrect word from given words. 4 words are given. Here हळू. So this is incorrect word. हळू is the correct word. Okay, but it is incorrect. At the same time, मुलाखन. It is also incorrect word. Actually, it is written as मुलाखत. Okay, mulakhan is not word in Marathi. So here both are correct option. So a first mistake we see in this paper. Students, let me tell you, a lot of mistakes we find in the last examination. So this is the one. Okay, but in answer key, the first answer was given correct. That is हळू. Then see question number 32. पुढील पैकी अर्थाच्या दृष्टीने गटात न बसणारा शब्द. Here we have to find out a odd word from the given word. Hay means घोडा, that is what? Horse. Varu means horse. Turag means horse. And gaz means elephant. Okay, elephant. So the fourth option is correct. Okay, now घोडे बांधण्याची किल्ल्यावरील जागा. Okay, the place in the fort where we tie the horses. So here pilkhana means a place where we tie elephants. Gotha, where we tie the buffalo. Paga, the place where we tie horses. Okay, so the correct answer is second one, that is paga. Now question number 34. पुढील पैकी योग्य वाक्यप्रचार असलेला पर्याय कोणता? So we have to identify the correct phrase here. Here also we find some mistakes because हात टेकणे is the phrase, as well as कान फुटणे also a phrase in Marathi. So both are correct. But in answer key, the first option is given correct, that is हात टेकणे. But कान फुटणे, this is also correct. So this is also a complicated or problematic question in the last examination. Now question number 35. वाक्यातील अधोरेखित शब्दाची जात ओळखा और कोणती. So here we have to identify the अधोरेखित word means underlined word. But student, again mistake we find in the given sentence, no word is अधोरेखित means underlined. So this is also a complicated or cancelled question in the last examination. Now question number 36. शाळेच्या स्नेहसंमेलनासाठी मान्यवर लेखकांना पाहुणे म्हणून बोलावण्यासाठी लिहिलेले पत्र हे कोणत्या प्रकारचे असेल? Yes student, if you have write a letter inviting to a guest for our annual function, what kind of letter will be that? So it will be invitation letter. So the fourth option is correct, that is nimantran patra. Okay student, now let's move forward. See student, question number 37. Okay, so श्रद्धांजली मधील एकूण वर्ण किती? Here this word also wrong. श्रद्धांजली मधील एकूण वर्ण किती? So we have to identify the alphabets in the word श्रद्धांजली. So the answer is third one, 11. Now question number 38. पुढीलपैकी विरुद्ध लिंगी शब्दाची चुकीची जोडी ओळखा. सो वी हॅव टू आयडेंटिफाय द रॉंग पेअर ऑफ ऑपोजिट जेंडर. Okay student, so here Shuk means parrot and Sarita means non-living things, so this pair is wrong one. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Okay student, Morlandor is the correct opposite gender, Boka Bhati is the correct opposite gender, Kolla Kolin is the correct opposite gender, but the first one is wrong one. Now question number 39. डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम यांची पुढीलपैकी डॅश ही ओळख नाही. सो वी हॅव टू आयडेंटिफाय द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स विच इज नॉट रिकग्नाइज्ड फॉर APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam is recognized as missile man. He is recognized as a scientist. He is recognized as a president. Okay, ex-president. But he is not recognized as a singer. So the correct answer is the third one, that is gayak or singer. Okay student, have understood? Very good. Now the question number 40. पुढीलपैकी कोणता दिवस बालिका दिन म्हणून साजरा करतात in Maharashtra? Okay student, so in Maharashtra the birthday of Savitribai Phule is celebrated as Balika Din, and the birth date of Savitribai Phule is 3rd January. So the correct answer is 3rd January, option number 1. Okay students, have understood? Very good. Now let's move forward. See question number 41. गीताई या ग्रंथाचे लेखक कोण? Who is the writer of गीताई? Okay, so Vinoba Bhave is the writer of गीताई. Okay students, now let's move forward. Question number 42. पिशवीत काय आहे कुणालाच माहित नाही, अधोरेखित सर्वनामाचा प्रकार ओळखा. So here कुणालाच, this is the indefinite pronoun. So अनिश्चित is the correct one. संबंधी means relative, दर्शक means demonstrative, प्रश्नार्थ means interrogative. But here कुणालाच is अनिश्चित, that is indefinite pronoun. Now question number 43. वाक्यातील विशेषणाचा प्रकार ओळखा. विशेषणाचा, but student here also the options are given but sentence is not given, so this question also cancelled in the last examination. Okay, now question number 44. गडकरी हा माझ्या व्याख्यानाचा आवडता विषय असेल. ओके, वाक्यातील काळ ओळखा. आयडेंटिफाय द टेन्स ऑफ द गिवन सेंटेन्स, दॅट इज गडकरी हा माझ्या व्याख्यानाचा आवडता विषय असेल. सी स्टुडंट, इट इज नॉट पूर्ण भविष्यकाळ, इट मीन्स नॉट परफेक्ट फ्युचर टेन्स, सो इट इज नॉट द ऑप्शन करेक्ट आन्सर. अपूर्ण भविष्यकाळ means it is not continuous future tense, okay, as well as it is not the perfect continuous future tense, but it is simple future tense. Okay students, now let's move forward with the next question, that is 45. okay, see वाक्यातील नसलेले विरामचिन्ह कोणते? So here we have to identify the punctuation mark which is not in the sentence. मीनू सांगू लागली, कॉमा, डबल इन्व्हर्टेड कॉमा, आजोबा, कॉमा, वेबसाईट म्हणजे संकेतस्थळ, कळलं का आता? सो हिअर द पंक्च्युएशन मार्क विच जॉईन्स द टू वर्ड्स इज नॉट देअर, दॅट इज संकेतस्थळ, संकेत, ओके, स्थळ. सो दिस पंक्च्युएशन मार्क इज नॉट देअर and it is called as a संयोग चिन्ह. So the correct answer is संयोग चिन्ह, option number 3. okay, स्वल्पविराम means comma, comma, प्रश्न चिन्ह means this one, पूर्ण विराम means full stop. okay, yes, understood? Very good. Now let's move forward with question number 46. पुढीलपैकी उपसर्ग घटित शब्द कोणता? उपसर्ग घटित शब्द कोणता? उपसर्ग घटित शब्द means, okay, a word which is formed by adding in front of a main word. okay, we add prefix to a word Okay, prefix to a main word, that is called as upasarga ghatit. If we add a letter or a word before a main word is called as upasarga ghatit. See student, gulam giri, gulam is the main word and giri is added afterward. Kalakar, kala is main word and kar is added afterward. Okay students, then manav is a main word and ta is added afterward, but here sad is main word and prati is added in front of it, so it is upsarga ghatit. So the option number 3 is correct. नाव 47, कमळ या शब्दाला समानार्थी असलेला शब्द कोणता? सो वी हॅव टू आयडेंटिफाय द सिनोनिम फॉर कमळ, दॅट इज लोटस. अंबुज is a similar word for kamal. Neeraj is synonym for kamal. Pankaj is synonym for kamal. But Agraj is not. So it is the correct answer. Okay students. Now next move forward. Student, here question number 48 to 51 are based on the given poem. Read it, okay, and try to understand. Directly I am going to discuss the question and answer. Okay, so let's have कवी कोणाकडे मागणे मागत आहे. Okay, to whom the poet is demanding. The poet is demanding to Ananta. Ananta means what student? What do you mean by Ananta? Ananta means what? Ishwar, or what we can say, God. Okay, so he is demanding to God, and here fourth option is correct, that is Parmeshwar. Parmeshwar means God. Now question number 49, पुढील पैकी कोणत्या शब्दाचा समानार्थी शब्द कवितेत आलेला नाही? Okay, yes student, here what we have to identify, the words are given Suman, Vasundhara, Nab and Kaumudi. So we have to identify such words or the similar words that are not in the poem. Okay, Suman means flowers. So flowers are here fulanche. So synonym is for Suman is here in this poem. Vasundhara means earth. So synonym for Vasundhara is Bhui here. So synonym for Vasundhara is there in the poem. Nabh means sky. So synonym for Nabh is Abha there in the poem. Kaumudi means stars. So Chandane is there in the poem. So this question also is a complicated question. Okay, so this is also a wrong question in the last examination. Okay, let's have the next one, that is 50. कवी कोणते मागणे मागत नाही? What does not poet demand? Okay, so correct answer is the second one, that is फुलांचा बहार देठांनी सोसावा. It means that the branches should not bear the heaviness of flowers. Okay students, so this is the correct answer. Now question number 51, कवीची शेवटची इच्छा कोणती आहे? Yes, what is the last desire of the poet? So last desire of the poet is the option 3, that is fulanche rang bhave, to be the colors of flowers. Okay, now next, see here student, here a comprehensive passage is given about Shahu Maharaj. Student, read it and try to understand. Okay, let's have direct question and answer. उतार्यानुसार पुढीलपैकी कोणते विधान चुकीचे आहे? सो वी हॅव टू आयडेंटिफाय द इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज इनकरेक्ट अँड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, शाहू महाराज हे मनाने संकुचित होते. संकुचित मीन्स नॅरो माइंडेड, but actually Shahu Maharaj was broad minded. Next students, question number 53, पुढीलपैकी कोणत्या अर्थाचा पर्यायी शब्द उतार्यात आलेला नाही? Okay, so the synonym of the given words is not there in the paragraph. So kaushalya is there, daya is there, ashcharya means surprise is not there. So the option number 3 is correct answer. Now शाहू महाराजांना कोणत्या गोष्टीविषयी आस्था नव्हती? ओके, ऑन विच थिंग शाहू महाराज डझंट बिलीव? So he believes on kasab, that is skill. He believes on quality, that is gun. He believes on responsibility, that is kartavya. But he doesn't believe on varsa, that is heredity. So answer number 2 is correct. Option number 2 is correct. Now question number 55. शाहू महाराजांचा कोणाला आधार वाटे? Who believe that Shahu Maharaj was support for them? Okay. So Guni and Kartatvavan, these people believe that, and Pidit people also believe that. So option number B and C is correct. So option 4 is correct, that is फक्त B and C. Now student, question number 56. पुढीलपैकी विरुद्धार्थी शब्दांची योग्य जोडी ओळखा. विरुद्धार्थी शब्दांची योग्य जोडी. सो वी हॅव टू आयडेंटिफाय द करेक्ट पेअर ऑफ अँटॉनिम्स वी कॅन से. आजी आजोबा इज द करेक्ट अपोजिट जेंडर. कोवळे लहान, दिस इज अ रॉंग वन. डेलिकेट अँड शॉर्ट, इट इज नॉट अ करेक्ट ऑपोजिट वर्ड. शिखर माथा, दिस इज ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट पेअर ऑफ अपोजिट. बट नवे and जुने means new and old. This is the correct pair of opposite words. Okay student, now next we will move forward. See, पूजा उद्या येणार आहे ना. वाक्याचा प्रकार ओळखा. We have to identify the type of sentence, given sentence, that is पूजा उद्या येणार आहे ना. Okay student, at the last we see the question mark, so it is a prashnarthi or interrogative statement. So the third option is correct, प्रश्नार्थी. पुढील पैकी वचनांची योग्य जोडी कोणती? We have to identify the correct number pair. Okay. So the correct number pair is पुस्तक and पुस्तके. Okay. Now question number 59. वाक्यातील क्रियापदाचा प्रकार ओळखा. Okay. We have to identify the correct verb form from the sentence. कुत्रा भुंकू लागताच मुळे पळू लागतात. पळू is one verb, लागली is another verb. So two verbs are there. Two verbs are there. पळू and लागली. Okay. पळू and लागली. So when we use two verbs at a time, that will be संयुक्त verb. Okay. So the second option is correct. Okay student, have understood? Very good. Now the last one. Okay. See, चौकटीतील अक्षरे योग्य क्रमाने जुळवून तयार होणाऱ्या म्हणीतील क्रमांकाची अक्षरे घेतल्यास वारा या शब्दाला समानार्थी शब्द तयार होतो. स्टुडंट्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट द म्हण और द फ्रेज, मराठी फ्रेज. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, सी आय विल राइट हियर. देखल्या देवा दंडवत. So this man can be formed with this puzzle. देखल्या देवा दंडवत. Now we will put the number for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So we have put numbers to the letter now. Now we have to identify the, if we put two numbers together or the letters together, then we can form a word which means vara. So here va and ta. Va and ta. What is the number of va? 5. What is the number of ta? 9. So if we get together 5 and 9, what will be formed? And what means vara or wind, we can say. Okay student, understood? So here option number 4 is correct. Option number 4 is correct. Okay student, have understood? Very good. So student, here today we have discussed the paper of Mahatet, that is Marathi, of level 1, that is primary. Okay student, and it is for the English medium students, and other medium students can also study it. Okay student, if you have liked this and found it useful to you, then like it, share it to your friends, subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you will get current notification of new videos. Thank you. Be connected, be thoughtful, and be studious.